Sir, do I have your permission to declare the convocation open? The convocation is open. Esteemed Chief Guest for the event, Mr. Harshpati Singhania, Mrs. Rai, Chairperson IILM, members of the Board of Governors, proud parents, faculty members, and my dear graduating students. On behalf of the IILM fraternity, I extend a very warm welcome to you all for the convocation ceremony of this class of 2011. Let me begin with the pleasant duty of introducing our Chief Guest before sharing the highlights of the batch with our audience today. Mr. Harshpati Singhania is a fourth generation industrialist belonging to one of the largest industrial groups in India, the JK organization. Mr. Singhania is an MBA from the University of Massachusetts, an alumnus of Harvard Business School. JK organization's manufacturing facilities include paper and boards, cement, tires and tubes, power transmission, system engineering, sugar, dairy products, textiles, healthcare, and clinical research. Manufacturing facilities of the group are spread over the entire Indian subcontinent and also countries abroad. Mr. Singhania has been at the helm of various industry associations and a member of several expert groups, including those constituted by the Government of India. He was the President of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry and currently the Vice President, International Chamber of Commerce. Mr. Singhania was also instrumental in bringing together the 2-century-old associations of the paper industry under one umbrella of the Indian Paper Manufacturers Association. Mr. Singhania is a keen golfer, an avid reader, and an admirer of arts. We welcome you here at IILM, sir. Let me now briefly take the audience through a part of our journey at IILM, more specifically the last 2 years. As a progressive and learning institute, IILM continuously strives to improve in all its facets. Starting from a batch of 60 students in 1993, IILM today has grown with 5 campuses and programs catering to about 1,500 students each year. The postgraduate program in management is our mainstream program that prepares students for individual enterprise and careers in business and management. Over the last 2 years, we have redefined ourselves as a business school and have taken concrete actions towards implementing our Vision 2015, which is to be a leader in values-based management education and business-focused research. At the center of our vision is the student, and our endeavor is to provide an exceptional student experience by focusing on work-related and work-based learning experience, knowledge and skills valued by employers, inspirational and creative teaching, research that flows into teaching and learning. Our aim is to maximize the learning value add in the time that the student spends with us at IILM. The curriculum is benchmarked with the best schools in India and across the world. It is constantly updated with feedback from the industry. A proactive board of governors that meets 3 times a year to review the program structure, course content and delivery gives us continued feedback in the area. We have made conscious efforts to engage industry more actively in the program design and delivery by means of visiting professors from industry, curriculum conferences, industry-focused seminars and sponsored programs. We have found the exercise immensely useful and have received positive feedback both from the industry and students on these initiatives. We do realize we still have a long way to go to make these really embedded in the processes and systems across campuses. We also continue to provide a cross-cultural exposure to our students. Distinguished international faculty and speakers are invited to offer courses to IILM students. We also receive many exchange students from universities in France, Germany, Austria, Korea and China. And our postgraduate students go to spend a term at our partner schools in Europe. This brings me to our primary reason for being here today, the graduating students. The excitement, energy and enthusiasm of the graduating batch is really infectious. Close to 700 students are being awarded their postgraduate awards today. With dreams to change the world, it is this young energy that is going to be the real driver of growth, not just for the organizations they work for, but for India as a nation. The opportunity that exists today for today's youth is tremendous, and it is for you to make the most of it. To describe the opportunity and the challenge it brings with it, I quote from the speech of the chairman Hindustan Unilever, Mr. Harish Manwani. Quote, India has changed dramatically in the last decade. Per capita income in current prices has grown by more than 12% per annum, and so has the personal disposable income. In the last 10 years, the number of middle and high income level households combined has increased by more than 50%. Automobile sales have grown from about 5 million vehicles to 16 million vehicles, and mobile phone subscribers from 2 million to over 840 million. The media landscape has changed beyond recognition, and more than 500 TV channels reaching an aggregate audience of nearly 600 million. Clearly, we are in the midst of a consumption boom that is revolutionizing the lives of millions of Indians. These are remarkable numbers, signifying a tectonic shift in the consumption of growth. The growth brings with it new opportunities, but also challenges. People at the bottom of the pyramid will have access to healthier lifestyles and improved livelihood. On the other hand, increased wealth and consumption will have a dramatic impact on the world's environment. With the global population approaching 7 billion, we are today consuming resources at a rate greater than the Earth's ability to replenish them. Across the globe, the negative impact of growth on the environment has brought a rising tide of concern from governments, the scientific community, NGOs, consumers,